Hi there, how are you doing? I have a very good news today. Since today, if you want to order a bump case, you can do it from here, from Violin Maker in Estonia. From my place, you can try here. And today I will show you the unboxing about a Viola case that just arrived some minutes ago and is here. Let's take a look. Here is this beauty, so pretty case. Wow, it's coming with this part. Put the music sheet here. Very nice. Take a look, how is it? Beautiful. Beautiful. Inside there is a big space. Yeah, it's quite a big space. And this one you can regulate as you want. Bigger, higher. This way as you want. You have this bag here that you can save shoulder rest, pencils, stuff that you need to play. Oh, the instrument, the case is very nice, really. You have them. You can put 4 bows. It's very nice. And here I don't know what there is here. You can take a look. This is if you want to hold yourself like a backpack. You have this thing here to install on the case too. So it's really good. Really good. Fell down in the street in winter, you can felt on this one very safety. It's very strong, and here's like a rubber, so it's nice to touch. The touching is very nice, and you have a handle here if you have to be stand up in this way. You can also hold it by here. If you're in the bus or somewhere, you can put it in that way. You have here the fit some stuff to keep it in the floor. So I really like it. This is very good.